Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I'm going to be opening October's Boxycharm for you guys. Mine came in a little bit late, but I'll explain why later on in this video. So if you're interested to see what came inside of my box, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. For anyone who does not know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. You pay $21 a month and you get full-size makeup items, beauty tools, and also skincare products sent straight to your door. The theme for the October box is the alter ego. My box is variation number 1. Came with the card explaining what the products are. And the reason why my box came so late this month was because last month, the September box, I was completely uninterested in it and I actually unsubscribed. I just felt like even $21 was too much for me to pay for all of the items that came in the box. None of them really interested me that much. So I am back on my subscription and I am hoping to get the December Boxy Luxe. So we'll see if that happens. I am so lucky. Boxycharm always knows exactly what I want. I saw the different variations that came in the October box and there was one specifically that I was hoping for and I got it. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. First item is from IT Cosmetics. This is their Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This retails full size for $24. And I love this mascara. I'm not gonna open it because I'm actually using something else currently, but I have used this before in the past and this is great. I remember it does a really good job of separating your lashes and adding length versus volume. This is good stuff, so I'm so excited that I got this in my box. The second product that came inside my box is this Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This is from Dermovia. I've never heard of that brand before, but this mask retails for $30. The description is the detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. So this is basically an exfoliating mask. I've never tried anything like this before, so I'm anxious to give it a shot. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. It actually does come with 2 lace masks, so you get 2 uses out of it. But $30 is a lot of money, so I'm assuming this is gonna be a really good mask. I'm gonna try it out, and I will comment in the description box below or in the comments section and let you guys know what I think of this once I get a chance to try it out. Next is an item from Pure Cosmetics. It is the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. This is something that they did specially with Boxycharm for the Charmers. It looks like this. It's beautiful packaging. The back is white with the gold lines. And this palette actually opens sideways, which I thought was interesting. Normally palettes will open vertically, but this one opens horizontally. So it has items for your face. Here you have a blush, you have a highlight and a contour here. And then on this side you have a little mirror and you also have different eyeshadows here. So let me do some swatches for you guys. Okay, so here is a swatch of the eyeshadow shades. These are very chalky and they were kind of hard to swatch. They don't show up very pigmented, but I have not tried them on the eyes. I can definitely tell you right off the bat that I do like the quality of the face products a lot better. The blushes and highlights swatched a lot nicer and they were a lot more creamy. I am somewhat unimpressed with this palette. I definitely have to test the shadows on the eyes before I can give like a legit first impressions. But I will say though that these cheek products, I like the way they swatch, so I think I'll have better luck with those on my face. And I did not mention this yet, this retails for $38. The fourth item that I got in my box is from Kat Von D. This is her Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Mine came in the shade Hawkwind. This does retail for $20. This is what it looks like on the doe foot. And I'll do a little swatch for you. You can see it's very opaque. It glides on nice and smooth. I did like, I'm actually wearing this on my lips right now. I like the way that it looks on my skin tone. And I will say this though, it is a little bit sticky. It makes my lips stick together. But other than that, I do like the coverage. I think it's seems like a good quality. This is the first product from Kat Von D Beauty that I've tried, so I will probably continue to use this. I think it's the perfect color for fall. It's like a dark, almost like a brownish red color, and I do like the way it looks on my lips, so I'm happy with that. The last item that I received in my box is from Pharmacy Beauty. This is their Green Clean Makeup Melting Balm. When you open this up, it looks like this. It's a green color, and actually I've used this a couple times. You can see where my finger went in there. So let me show you. It's like a waxy, hard consistency, but when you scrape it out and rub it on your skin, it turns into an oil and it melts away all of your makeup. So I love the way this feels on the skin. It smells really good. I've tried it twice, but actually the first time I tried it, it did make my skin break out. I got like red bumps on my face. It was nothing major, and by the time I woke up in the morning, it was gone. The second time I used it, I did not experience that at all. I think it's just something that happens with my skin. If I'm trying out new skincare products, sometimes I will have somewhat of a reaction to the product, but it did go away by the morning time, and I used it again, and I absolutely love this. And it retails for $22. I hope that you all enjoyed watching my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!